Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making a quick backup so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, confirm you have administrative rights or sudo access, because some timestamps need elevated permission. Next, navigate to the file folder and open Terminal on Mac OS or Linux, or PowerShell on Windows. This puts you in position to run commands. Check the current timestamps with LSL or getItem to record original values before you change anything, so you know what you altered and why. Now you execute the command to set the new date. For Mac OS and Linux, use touch-t-yimd-dhmm file. X to set the modification time quickly. That format is year, month, day, and time without separators. For Windows in PowerShell, assign getItem c \path file. Ext. Last write time equals getDate mm/dd/yihh to change the modified timestamp. Make sure to use the full path if you're not in the file folder. Finish by verifying the change. Run LSL or getItem and compare the timestamps to your original record so you confirm success. If you need to alter the creation time specifically, many systems require recreating the file or using OS utilities such as setFile or third-party tools. Touch often only affects modification time. If something goes wrong, first check permissions, whether the file is locked by another process, or if security software blocked the operation. Then retry with elevated privileges or adjust locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.